Smart, efficient, elegant. Midea has drawn inspirations from nature to create the ultimate comfort air conditioner. It changes your home. The Arctic Fox remote control adjusts temperature precisely for maximum comfort. Cool Boost. The ultimate comfort applies inverter quattro technology. Powerful cool wind blows from the fan, driving away the oppressive summer heat in the blink of an eye. With this long-distance wind blast, you can feel the delicate coolness in every corner of the room. And it is wide-angle air louvers, cool wider and evener. Silky Cool. Cold air is directed at the ceiling by the Kawanda deflector, then evenly going down around the room for comfortable cooling. Strong wind passes through the wind sprayer's thousands of tiny openings to form a gentle, smooth, and relaxing breeze. Immersed in the silky breeze of the ultimate comfort, every breath relaxes your soul. With comfort, humidity feature, even in the monsoon season, a simple swipe on mobile phone, customized humidity level. The Midea bill control feature can view and control electricity usage with a single touch, keeping the home cool and saving energy. Air Magic. The Midea Ultimate Comfort comes with distinctive Air Magic feature. It releases positive and negative ions into the air. Killing up to 99.9% of harmful bacteria, purifying your every breath. Dual filters capture fine dusts, while evaporator self-cleaning keeps it free from mold and bacteria. Ions are combined with water molecules in the air for natural and lasting skin moisturization. By producing negative ions, the Air Magic makes the city air as fresh as a forest mornings. And running lowest at 18 decibels, the ultimate comfort preserves your peace and quiet.